Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss with you the types of discussion essay. Okay, so students like who are preparing from the home, who don't know any pattern like how they have to attempt the exam, how they have to attempt the essay, so they must watch this video till the end. Okay, so that you can come to know about the types of essay and how you have to handle these kind of essays. Okay, so without wasting your time I am going to start the video. So firstly, discuss essay. Okay, discussion essay, these are mainly of two types. First one, जो आपको ऐसा हो सकता है कि like whenever there is any statement given to you and at the end of statement they will write only discuss, either they will write discuss both views. Okay, so this is first kind, like simply they will written after the statement discuss or discuss both views. So how you can handle this kind of essay? So already in discussion essay you have two kind of opinions, like some people say this, however others believe this, discuss. Okay, कि कुछ लोग ऐसा मानते हैं and other they believe this thing and you have to discuss both the views. So how you can discuss it? So these kind of essays you should cover in 4 paragraphs. Okay, so how you have to write this kind of essay? Mainly firstly you have to write introduction. Okay, firstly you have to write introduction, then second paragraph that will include the side of people who are having one opinion. Okay, and in the next paragraph you are going to write about other opinion, like what other people say. Okay, what other people believe, what is the opinion of other people about that, like other people who are arguing about that. Okay, जो argue कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में आप थर्ड पैराग्राफ में राइट करोगे. एंड लास्ट वन कंक्लूजन, last one you will write conclusion. Okay, so this is the main like attempting of discussion essay. You can attempt only in the four body paragraphs, like firstly introduction, in one BP you can give one view. Okay, and in another BP you can give another view, and then you have to give your conclusion. Okay, so and in conclusion, जब आपने BP2 एंड BP3 में अच्छे से दोनों साइड के लोग ऐसा क्यों मानते हैं उन चीज़ों को आपने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, तो कंक्लूजन में आप ये बताओगे कि आप क्या सोचते हो. ओके, आप क्या सोचते हो कि कौन सी साइड बेटर थी. सो दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन द कंक्लूजन, क्योंकि डिस्कशन मीन्स के वहाँ पर हम डिबेट कर रहे हैं एक हिसाब का. ओके, कि लोगों के पॉइंट्स हैं जो वो ऐसा क्यों मानते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको सिटी एंड विलेज लाइफ कंपेयर करनी हो, so why some people are saying city life is better, others argue no, village life is more better. So in one BP you have to write why people are saying city life is better, and in another BP you have to write why people are saying village life is more better. But in the conclusion you have to write which life is better, okay, according to you. So this is discuss essay. Okay, so this is the one kind of discuss essay, and in this kind you have to write 4 body paragraphs. I hope now this is clear to you. If any student have any doubt, then you can ask from me in the comment section. Next kind that we have discussion essay. In the statement this can be given, discuss both views and you have to give your opinion. So in the statement if this word is given, discuss both views and you have to give your opinion, then you have to handle the essay in 5 paragraphs. Yes, this is the major difference. And whenever you are going to write the essay, so first point that you have to keep in mind, you have to understand the statement of essay in your native language. Like if you are from the Punjab, then you have to just translate the given statement in the Punjabi. Okay, either you can translate the given statement in Hindi, means that you have to understand the statement in a very proper way. So understanding of statement, that is known as brainstorming of the given statement. Okay, brainstorming. So how you can brainstorm the essay, already my one video is there, you can watch that video also, like how you can divide the given statement in few parts and you can understand the statement in a better view. Okay, so if this kind of essay is given to you, like you have to discuss both views and you have to give your opinion, then you have to write total 5 body paragraphs. So first body paragraph, that will include introduction. Okay, introduction. Then second, BP1, which will include the view of one side of people. Then BP2, that will include view of other side of people. Okay, and BP3, yes, in BP3 you have to give your opinion, because already in the statement they have written here you have to give your opinion. So in BP3 you will start the BP in this way: I believe that, in my opinion, so that examiner can come to know now you are going to write your opinion. Okay, and in conclusion again you have to just paraphrase the wording that you have given in your opinion. Okay, in BP3. So what is your opinion, that you have to again reiterate in the conclusion. So in this way you have to attempt this kind of essay in total 5 paragraphs. So I hope this is clear to you, and you have to keep one point in your mind. Okay, whenever you are going to write view of other people, like what other people believe, because the 2 body paragraphs हैं, in these you have to write the view of other people, what other people think about any statement. Okay, so in that you have to use few words that I am going to tell you now. So which words you have to use, just look here. Yes, you can use people opine that, it is believed by the people, majority of people have opinion, majority of masses think that, some individuals opine. Okay, people argue, they word you can use. You can't use I believe, I view, we, I believe, in my opinion. You can't use these words in 2 BP. Okay, जो फर्स्ट 2 BP हैं उनमें आप ये दोनों जो वर्ड्स हैं, ओके, जो पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस हैं वो आप यूज नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग द व्यू ऑफ अदर पीपल, व्हाट अदर पीपल थिंक अबाउट दैट स्टेटमेंट. Okay, so you can note down these words in your notebook. So I hope this discussion essay is clear to you. So if you like my video, then please press the like button, and if you want more videos in this way, then definitely I will provide you. You can tell me in the comment section in which kind of essay you are facing problem. Okay, and like what kind of more content you want. Definitely I will try to provide you. Thank you.